Toy Genie surprises. Hey guys, today let's go on a shopping mission with Minnie Mouse with her shop and scan talking cash register. Super exciting. This register comes with 4 different cards, mission cards, with a total of 8 missions, 2 on each card. Plus, we have 32 different scan cards, barcodes that we can scan with different amounts on there. This set also comes with a credit card and money, 5 $1 bills, 5 $5 bills, 5 $10 bills, and 5 $20 bills. Lots and lots of money to spend. Plus, we also have a watch that has a tag on it that we can scan, a ring, a necklace, and a pair of earrings. Super fun. To the right of this register, we have a glittery bow with a digital screen.
Welcome to Minnie's Happy Helper Shop. When you find something you like, just scan it with the scanner.
To the left, we have a space for us to place our mission cards. We also have a scanner right here for us to scan our cards. Our on-off button, equals button, total, plus, minus, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, decimal point, 0, clear, and a mini button, which opens up the drawer. Super cool. Up top, we have a scanning button, and we can slide our credit card right here. We have a microphone and a sticker receipt. Now, are you guys ready for a mission? Let's go. Let's choose our first mission and put it in the slot.
Happy Helpers are on the way. Today's Happy Helpers mission: have a fashion show. See if you can find some items that will help with our mission.
Let's see if we can find some items for our fashion show. Here's our necklace, and it has a tag on it. Let's scan our tag.
Fashion necklace. I'm sure you'll find that very useful.
Yep, it's $29.99, and it matches the number on the screen. What else can we use for our fashion show?
Pet bracelet.
A pet bracelet. And some earrings.
Luau earrings.
And a ring.
Cupcake ring.
Let's get the total.
Thank you. Your total is $129.96.
Here's our money. Let's put it in the cash register. We can flip over
Welcome to Minnie's Happy Helper
this
Shop.
mission
When you find something you like, just scan it with the scanner.
for a different one. What's this mission?
Happy Helpers are on the way. Today's Happy Helpers mission: bake a cake. See if you can find some items that will help with our mission. For this mission, put on your cupcake ring.
Let's put on the cupcake ring. Here are some items for our cake baking mission. Let's scan it.
2 eggs. Oh, that's very nice.
2 eggs.
A mixing bowl. Wow, that will be perfect for our mission. A bag of flour.
Let's get the total.
Thank you. Your total is $10.72.
Let's use a credit card this time.
Thank you. Your total is $0.
Let's try for another mission. There's so many, and they're so fun.
Welcome to Minnie's Happy Helper Shop.
Let's try this
When you
one.
find something you like, just scan it with the scanner. Happy Helpers are on the way. Today's Happy Helpers mission: plant a garden. See if you can find some items that will help with our mission.
Here's our barcodes for gardening.
Flowers. I'm sure you'll find that very useful. A watering can. Wow, that will be perfect for our mission. A shovel. Oh yes, that item's a great choice. Gardening gloves. I'm sure you'll find that very useful. You did it! You found everything we needed. Thank you. Your total is $41.20. Thank you. Your total is $0. You find something you like, just scan it. Happy Helpers are on the way. Today's Happy Helpers mission: have a tea party. See if you can find some items that will help with our mission.
Tea party sounds super fun. Here's some barcodes for a tea party.
Balloons. Oh, that's very nice. Teacups. Oh yes, that item's a great choice. A teapot. I'm sure you'll find that very useful. Cupcakes. Wow, that will be perfect for our mission. You did it! You found everything we needed. Thank you. Your total is $49.37.
Let's scan the credit card again.
Thank you. Your total is $0.
And how about we go on one more mission?
Welcome to Minnie's Happy Helper Shop. When you find some happy helpers are on the way. Today's Happy Helpers mission: groom pets. See if you can find some items that will help with our mission.
Let's scan our pet bracelet.
Pet bracelet. Oh yes, that item's a great choice.
And then let's see what else we should get.
A brush. Oh, that's very nice. A tub. I'm sure you'll find that very useful. A towel. Oh yes, that item's a great choice. You did it! You found everything we needed. Thank you. Your total is $57.13.
Let's pay for it. Here we are. Put our money inside and close it up.
Now I'm ready to buy some surprises. Are you ready to join me?
Of course I am.
Wait 1 second.
Ooh, look at all these surprises that Minnie Mouse is wanting to buy. The first thing that Minnie Mouse wants to buy is this Disney Doorables, and it's $5. Let's open this up and see what we get inside. It looks like a door. Who's inside? We get 2 surprises. Oh, so cute! We got Elsa, and we have Goofy. How fun! 2 surprises in each box. And there's lots to collect. Let's take a look at the collector's guide. Wow, super awesome. We have limited editions, Winnie the Pooh, Monsters, Inc., Alice in Wonderland, Pinocchio, Frozen, Mickey and Friends, Tangled, Lilo and Stitch, Moana, Beauty and the Beast, Zootopia, and Peter Pan. Let's see what else Minnie Mouse wants to buy. She wants to buy this Nom Nom surprise, and this is $6. Let's open this up. It's glittery, look at that. We can possibly get body shimmer or glitter lip gloss. Let's see. Is this body shimmer or lip gloss? Whoa! I thought that was going to stay on. Oh my goodness, it's a cake. Looks like we got some body shimmer. We can pull this off and sprinkle some. Super sparkly, look at that. Very pretty. And looks like we got a cake. So the name is Forest Black, a layered cake. Next, let's get this Frozen surprise, and this is $3.25. Let's find out who we have inside. Who do we have? We have Frozen Anna. So pretty. I love this part of the movie. Look at her. She's like translucent. Next, let's get this Pick Me Pop surprise. And this is $9. Let's open this up.
Ready to check out? Okay, just press the turbo button.
We have the little standee on the bottom. And here's our collector's guide, and here's a little card. This says, Chappy the Beaver. Have a beavery happy day today. Let's check out our beaver. So cute, look at the teeth. So it comes with a little stretchy hanger, and it can also be a ring. Look. Smells delicious, like summer berries. Set this in the back. Actually, we'll close this up. And let's get this surprise. This Minnie Mouse blind bag is $4 and 23 cents. And let's open it up. Who did we get? We got Minnie Mouse. And she has polka dotted bow in her hair, pink dress, and pink matching shoes. Now let's get our last surprise. What is this? It's a splat ball. This will be $12. Now let's get the total.
Thank you. Your total
charge it.
Thank you. Your total is $0.
Let's open up our splat ball and see what happens. Ooh, it's a tomato. There's lots of water inside. It's super stretchy. And when we throw it really hard, it'll flatten and then slowly pop back up. You see that? Let's do it again. One more time. Super fun. Now let's go on one more mission.
Happy Helpers are on the way! Today's Happy Helpers mission: travel as tour guides. See if you can find some items that will help with our mission.
Super awesome. We can go on a vacation. Let's scan this.
Sunglasses. Wow, that will be perfect for our mission. A flag. Oh, that's very nice. Map. Oh yes, that item's a great choice. A passport. Wow, that will be perfect for our mission. You did it! You found everything we needed. Thank you. Your total is $126.96.
Let's charge it.
Thank you. Your total is $0.
Well guys, that's it for this video. So let me know in the comment section, what was your favorite thing that Minnie Mouse bought today? She bought so many things. So see you guys in the comment section. Thank you for watching the Toy Genie channel. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That lets me know to make more videos just like this for you. Click or tap on this video to watch it. Click or tap to subscribe. It's free. Plus you get to see my latest videos. And until next time, be happy and keep smiling.